Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Create whiteboard videos. Whiteboard videos are another great way to start a new YouTube channel without showing your face. Whiteboard videos can be very engaging for your audience, but making them will be a challenge. However, if you use some whiteboard video creation software, you should not have a problem. There are a few software, but I have experience using Doodly that helps to create some cool whiteboard videos without any technical skills. I use the software to create ads, but you can use it to make YouTube videos. Watch the video here to witness the beauty with your own eyes. 1. Numerology videos. Numerology is a fantastic anonymous channel idea, even if you do not believe in numerology studies. One of the best channels in this niche is Numerology Secrets, created by Jay. Jay outsourced 90% of the video creation part on Fiverr, and now he makes passive income through those videos. He has monetized his YouTube channel with AdSense, and he also promotes affiliate products through his videos. You can search up his channel name on YouTube to get some ideas on what type of visuals he is using and the affiliate product he uses to promote. I recommend you to join ClickBank and promote a product in the numerology niche to make more money. 2. Cartoon-style videos. Creating cartoon-style or animation videos are in the trend. Similar to whiteboard videos, these type of videos also tend to keep your audience engaged and increase the watch time, a very important factor to rank on YouTube. The idea with these type of channel is to break the short attention span of people and keep them watching your videos for a much longer duration. Just to be clear, I'm not saying that only cartoon-style videos are engaging, but that's an easy way to have a good audience retention rate. However, the downside is most people do not know to create cartoon videos, and that barrier makes only a very few people who can create cartoon-style explainer videos explode on YouTube. Luckily, as I always do a lot of research on the video creation subject, I have found software that can help us easily create cartoon videos. It's an affordable software. You can check the pricing here. Feel free to navigate the site and find more information about the product before making any decision. Gaming channel. Do you love playing online games like Fortnite, PUBG, etc.? Why not make money by doing what you love? When it comes to YouTube ads, you can't make money like a fitness or e-business channel. However, you can make some decent money since the gaming niche gets a lot of traffic, and it is perfect for beginners. The best part about the gaming channel, besides not being on camera, is you do not need to talk on your videos. Log into your Twitch account and record your live stream and upload it to YouTube. What should you do? Take out the best clips from Twitch account and add a nice intro and thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube channel. If you do not know to record your screen, you can just search on YouTube for how to record my game and live stream on Twitch. You will get plenty of results, and for this method, you do not need to show your face on the camera. Just use some screen recording software to record your computer screen and start playing like how you would typically do. Tell stories. Scary story videos are huge on YouTube, and there is a group of audiences who love to watch these kinds of videos. Many people would not believe that these kinds of channels make good money on YouTube, and they can completely go on stealth mode. You can check out a channel called Mr. Nightmare, who simply reads stories and has 5 million subscribers and gets around 10 million views every month. These kinds of videos are easy to make, and you can do this by simply recording your voice with your phone and add some royalty-free stock footage to those videos. Product reviews. Product reviews are called buyer intent keywords, and these types of videos are perfect for beginners with a vast potential of converting viewers into buyers. Review videos get less traffic, but you can make a lot of money with these kinds of videos. Why? The viewer looking for reviews on a product is just one step behind purchasing. So when you recommend a product, you will get a commission. In digital products, you can earn a 50% to 70% commission, while with physical products in Amazon, You can earn up to 5% commission on all sales made on the website for 24 hours after clicking your link. Now, which one should you choose? Physical or digital? Both physical and digital products have their advantages and disadvantages. So it doesn't matter which one you choose, just pick the one that you are comfortable with. Let's see how you can review physical and digital products without needing to stand in front of the camera. For digital products, it is simple. You need to walk through the product images and sales page, and finally use a video editor to put your clips together. Many YouTubers use this software to create review videos in less than 60 seconds. I know it's hard to believe, but that is the truth. In the case of physical products, you need a mobile phone and the product in your hand. Thanks for watching.